What's going on, guys? It's your boy, it's your mentor, Curtis the Sniper. So guys, in today's video we will be checking out gold, and let's make it Bitcoin. We will be checking out gold and Bitcoin, guys. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, subscribe, share to your friends and family, and comment on what you want me to analyze next. But then, without wasting any time, please pay attention so that I can show you how it's done, guys. Okay, first things first, full screen. We will be checking out gold, but first let's see how our previous video analysis did, this previous video analysis. So let's check it out. It was Nasdaq and USDT, right? So let's just check it out and see what's really going on there. Ooh, I don't like what I see. I don't like what I see. So the analysis was like this, right? So I think I learned something. Yeah, I learned something on this analysis. You know what? I am never ever analyzing in the weekends, because the market is closed. So the market closed here, right? And it gave us a selling analysis. It gave us a selling analysis, but then only to find out when the market opens, boom. If we analyzed on Monday or something, we would have known that this was above our trend line. This candlestick is above our trend line, so we should have did this. And I told you guys. So this is invalid. I'ma reanalyze it for you guys in the next video, but this is how you do it, guys. I told you, if it's like this and the market breaks below this, then boom, we're entering for sales. But this is how we do it. Just a minor mistake, only just moving your trend lines. You see, this strategy, you only lose if you make mistakes, but then if everything is right, you'll get the trade. Trust me, you'll get the trade. This is live proof. Let's just go back to gold. So is it my gold or am I using a different gold? Okay, let's just okay. Yeah, this is the gold I use. So now let's delete everything since the market is opened, right? Now we know that, because the market closed here, the market was showing us buying momentum. The market closed here, right? It closed above our trend line in the weekend. You know what I'm saying? And now it's Monday. Check where it is. So if we analyzed in the weekend, we would have known that the market might go like this. We would have said the market might go like this and actually come back. Come up here. But then now it's Monday, change of direction, change of analysis, everything, So let's just analyze and see what's going on. 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, find your highest point. My highest point is right here, and then go to your daily time frame and find your low point. So remember, on my past videos I catered right here, because this one is irrelevant. And why right here? Because your trend line will make sense. So draw a line over here on this low right here, right? And then draw a trend line going like this, and a trend line like this, guys. And then draw your current lowest point, which is right here. and then draw supply and demand, just like this. So Forex is different, guys. You know, like I feel like Forex is very different. When you're teaching, you are also a student. You are not in front of the crowd telling people what to do. No, you are actually with the crowd sharing ideas. How beautiful is that? How beautiful is that, guys? Forex is very, very beautiful. It's like you sharing ideas with the world, actually. Because we are all looking at the same thing. But I can go wrong, you can go wrong. It depends on who who understands this thing the most. And share it with others instead of selling his ideas. That's beautiful, man. That's very beautiful. So draw a trend line like this and draw a trend line like this, right? Now remember our touches. We have a touch over here, right? So, oh no, wait. We have a touch over here, so draw a line. We have a touch over here, draw a line. We have a touch over here. I'm gonna make it this one because this is not exactly a touch. So draw a line over here, right? Just like this. And then this is your resistance. This is your support. And this is your support. Just like this. We're in the 4-hour time frame. Now we know what's going on, guys. The market is below our diagonal resistance, right? It was a diagonal support the time it breaks above, but now we at the bottom. So I would say this thing is a resistance, a diagonal resistance. So we are looking for sales. 1 hour. Let's just go to 1 hour. Gold. You know how much I love you, gold. But sometimes you just kick me away. Let's draw a trend line going like this, right? And another trend line starting from here going like this. So my trend line is telling me a different story now. My trend line is telling me gold is gonna buy, but till where, I don't know. Cause if it buys, it will touch somewhere here. Let's check here. So I think it's somewhere here. Let's just draw a line over here and see if it makes sense. No, it doesn't make sense. It has to be somewhere here. Somewhere here. But we're not there. I would say let me keep things nice and simple. Delete everything. If it doesn't make sense, just delete all of this, right? And then use your proper lines, your proper supply and demand. Support and resistance. Sorry about that. So draw a line on this high right here and draw a line on this high right here, just like this. Mark them as your current resistance. We don't have a low point, so we catered here. We are actually trapping the market inside our analysis. Trapping, going down, trap, going down and trap it. It's like you're putting it inside of a box, something like that, guys. So the box started bigger, now it's getting smaller and smaller for you guys to see. So now, guys, check this out. If the market breaks, remember we are trading around 3, right? So if the market breaks around 3 p.m., not a.m., by the way, if the market breaks below this support here, come back down to retest it, making it a resistance, and then come back down here, the market might do this, right? But then if we continue to break this trend line right here, so the market will do like this, break our resistance, come back down to retest our support, and then boom, just like this. But right now we are below our diagonal resistance, so I would say boom, sells, put it above this high right here, above this. Let's just do this and wait for the surprise, just like this. If it disrespects, I'm reanalyzing. Losing is part of the game, so you just have to fix your things, make your analysis perfect. This is what I see on gold, guys. Without wasting time, let's go to Bitcoin. Let me just BTC USD. This one. Is it this one or this one? I'm gonna say this one. So this is Bitcoin for you. This is the first time I'm analyzing Bitcoin on this channel, I think. Yeah, this is the first time. Or the second time, I don't know. I'm not deep inside Bitcoin, but I know how to analyze Bitcoin because it's slightly is the same as gold, right? So in Bitcoin, I think I started in the daily time frame. Let's start in the 4-hour time frame and see. But I don't think in the 4-hour time frame you will find a proper high. Oh, you actually have a proper high. So draw a line right here on this high right here, right? And then go to your daily time frame. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Let me do something real quick. I want to show you something real quick. How do you exit full screen? Boom. And then where's that thing? Is it here? Yeah, I think it's here. Okay, yeah. Let me just favorites. Yeah, just like this. Okay. Now, Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is a little bit weird, right? You can't even draw a proper trend line from this low going like this. You can't even draw a proper trend line from this low going like this, right? Still, you don't have a touch over here. You don't have this touch. If you draw this trend line, you don't have this touch, you don't have this touch. And you can see these touches are very important. But then if you draw it from here going like this, you don't have this touch. So, push, delete everything. Right here, you don't need a straight trend line. So, Bitcoin is a little different. You have your high right here and then draw your low right here on your lowest point. Oh, sorry about that. On your lowest point right here, just draw a line on this low right here and then cater your curve. You see, curve, then do like this. Boom. Then squeeze in this, just like this. Then make it make sense, because we want that touch over there. Come down here, you, and then boom. Squeeze that in, just like this, guys. So we have a touch over here, we have a touch over here, we have a touch over here. Oh, how do we do this other side? Okay, let me show you. You start from here on your current highest point, not this one, but on the other side, on your left side, highest point from your left side. Actually, you draw your curve right like this. I'll just fix it now. Boom, just like this. Then drag it so it could make sense. So Bitcoin is still gonna buy, guys. We have like big buys on Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be successful in the future, trust me. And then draw your current highest point. Now you understand how to draw a perfect trend line from Bitcoin in the daily time frame, because I know you guys were struggling and you guys didn't know this trick. But then, surprise, draw your demand zone, draw your support zone, guys, and then draw your demand. I mean, draw your supply and demand, just like this, and then go to your 4-hour time frame, right? 4-hour time frame. Let's see what we have here. Trend line from your 4-hour time frame. We chose this trend line. It was like this in the past. So it was like this in the past, right? Now we're in the future. It was like this. Our trend line was going like this. I won't focus more on this because it's irrelevant. So I just want to show you when to change your direction of your trend line when you draw it. So guys, the market broke. Now that we are here, we actually completed this trend line. So this direction is irrelevant. That's a change of market structure. So you do like this, because this is a new market structure. This is a new market direction. Then draw a trend line going like this. I want touches. We actually had to draw this trend line in the 1-hour time frame, but it's still okay. Okay, still okay. Yeah, it's still okay. Then draw a line on this low right here. Let's see. Bitcoin. Okay, let's just go down to our 1-hour time frame, because in the 4-hour time frame we already have a trend line, right? We have a trend line, we have this low right here, but this low is in the 1-hour time frame. That's when you will see it properly. I would say, yeah. Let's just go to our 1-hour time frame. You have to zoom in if it doesn't make sense anymore. You know what I mean? Sorry about that. I'll keep on saying sorry, guys, because I'm a disciplined guy. I'm a guy with huge respect for others, because I know where they came from. I know where I came from. Draw a support like this. So Bitcoin is showing us buys, right? Bitcoin is saying I'm gonna break this resistance and touch here over here. So we actually have a double bottom. If you don't see it, let me just zoom in. We actually have a double bottom, guys. Yeah, just like this. We actually have a double bottom, and we don't have a touch over here, but we have a touch over here, and I would say it's a touch over here. So yeah, it touched twice, and check what it did. So we have a double bottom, right? And check the buys. Now we have a double bottom or a double bottom right here, and check the buys. And I can say I bet we're still gonna buy on Bitcoin. What did I do? Oh, where's Bitcoin now? Oh, I can just do this. Do this. Boom. Bitcoin, we back. Oh no, that's not Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we back. Where were we? Oh, let's just do this, right? And check. So this actually, the trend line, the like 1-hour trend line helps us to actually know where to enter. So if we were early on Bitcoin and we actually analyzed Bitcoin, we would see that this is actually a breakout and retest. So we would have entered here early in the double bottom, early, very early. But then if we did this, because other people trade the double bottom like this, and then they'll just enter here. And the stop loss will be like this. Then yeah, it's a buy. No, not on the neckline, but then here, right here. So whenever you see a double bottom, just draw a line from a high down, just like this. If it's a double top, then it's the other way around, like It's the other way around, and Bitcoin is still buying check. So I'd say if we came early, we would have entered here, breakout, retest, and then boom, entered here. Our stop loss down here, down here, and then we take our buys till the end of our trend line, just like this. So I predict more buys because I feel like the market will go up, maybe come back down and play around here before it touches over here. But Bitcoin is Bitcoin, guys. As you can see, it's sloppy, it's very volatile. So I'd say, yeah, it will come back down here, but then our end location is here. Bitcoin is a buy, guys. I would say Bitcoin is a buy. So what's next? Please subscribe. Make sure you subscribe this channel, and if you want to learn more about how to analyze the charts, please subscribe. Hit that comment button so you can know, so I can know what to analyze next, because sometimes you guys don't know how to analyze this, but then you don't comment on what you want me to analyze next. How would you learn how to analyze gold or Nasdaq if you don't comment on what you want me to analyze next, right? So please do that, guys, and share it to your friends and family, because I am the light. You are learning from me, and you will be your own light. So share the light to others, because they are in a dark place, not understanding the charts. You know what I'm saying? So please do that, guys. You see what I'm saying? Check Bitcoin. If you entered here, you would have been shaking right now, because once you see red, hey, that's when the heart starts. So what are you doing? But Bitcoin, let me just let you play around. I'll come back later for you, but it's a buy on Bitcoin. But guys, please be safe on Bitcoin. Be safe, because Bitcoin is a very, very choppy index, or yeah, crypto or something. But then we're not there, guys. It's your boy, it's your mentor, Curtis the Snipe, signing out.